2009 Ford Fusion. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an alarm system, power steering, air conditioning. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: traction control, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.